Good evening, students. I think it's audible for everyone, right? Can you hear me, ne? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So we'll start our session with work. So last week I gave a work and nobody has completed or what? Nobody shared or mailed me. Right? Nobody shared with me, right? Okay. Okay, we'll start off from this one. And also, what did we learn last week? Just a quick recap. Yes, what did we learn last week? Yes, students. Yeah, what is the command or what did we learn last week? Or forgot or didn't go through what we learned? Okay, I don't think anyone will answer my question because last week there was Khalid or somebody was there answering the questions. I don't expect the others to answer now anyway. Okay, so without wasting more time, okay, we'll try to do this one. So these are in millimeters, let's assume. Yes, it's audible, right? Everybody's like dead silent. Okay. Where do we start off from? If somebody is new to this class, they may be wondering what's happening. Like, it's like this. So we learn new things in the previous class and on while doing the sessions. So in the next class, at the start, we will see what is the thing we learned in the last class, and we'll work on some new questions. And AutoCAD works on commands, so you have to give the commands how it goes. So that's the way it is proceeding. I think somebody Amasha is new. I think maybe to the class. Okay. So as the initial step, we will go with the UN, setting the units. Okay. So we will go with decimal, precision 00, and then we go with the millimeters. Okay, then we'll go with, okay. Next, what do we do? I have to share you guys this picture. Ne? Please download the picture from the chat box. Okay. So have a close look at the picture. So where do we start off from? Which one do we draw first? Mhm. So Shuhada has said to start off with the bottom line. Where is Suleha? Where is few people
Yeah,
missing?
sir.
Okay.
I'm
So where
there,
did
but my house is very noisy. My grandchildren have come.
Okay. That's all this.
Fighting. Yeah.
Okay. Any others gonna answer? No one? Manuka, Fama, Mookan Murali, Shahida, Amasha. Where do we start off? Okay, so some Shuhada has said to start with the bottom line. So we'll start with that. So I'll enter. So see, the lines are just coming in a random way. So to go in like in a perpendicular direction, what is the command we should input? Yeah, what is the command? Yeah, we had to go with the auto command. Okay, so some people having with the coverage. Okay, so you may ask the institute for the recordings if available. Yeah. So to go with the line, we have to press the F8, the auto mode. So what is the distance we have in the horizontally? What is the horizontal distance we have? I think I will share the picture with everybody, right? 70, right? Okay. So we have put the 70. And also you have to set the dimension, dim style, DIMS. Now Muhammad Khalid has joined. Okay. So we have to modify, right? We have to modify. So we have the arrow size and then the text. Then primary units, decimal, then we gotta set the precision. Oh, I think we don't need precision also, because there's no decimal. Yes, so let's choose OK, then set current and then close. Okay. So we'll measure and check DIM, right? Yeah, so there is 70, right? That is fine. Then what is the next line we are gonna draw? Yeah, after the 70 line, what is the next one we draw? So Shahida Jamil has said to draw the 15. Do we need to draw the 15? So can I get the image? Can I just join now? Okay. Okay. So we drew the horizontal line 70. So what is the next line we should be drawing? Pardon? I could not hear you.
Pictures ஏதாவது சென்ட் பண்ணீங்களா சார்?
Yes. Yes. I think everybody got it. Ne? I already shared, but I think they joined later. Ne? Okay, so we have drawn the 70 horizontal line. What is the next step we do? What is the next line we should be drawing? Which vertical line?
சார் 70ல இருந்து 15 உயரம் எடுக்க வேண்டும் தானே சார்?
அதை நாங்கள் ஆஃப்செட் பண்ணி எடுக்கலாம் தானே, லைன் வரைய பர்பஸ் ஒன்றும் இல்லை தானே. Okay, so Shuhada has said to draw the vertical line. Okay, she has given the dimension also. Any other ideas? Now your chance, you should speak up. Which one to draw?
சார் வெர்டிக்கல் லைன் வரையணும் சார்.
Which vertical line? What is the distance?
60.
60. So we have to draw the 60 vertical line. Yeah. So I want to copy this line to
சார் அந்த
this left
மெஷர்மெண்ட் வந்து
direction.
மீட்டர்ஸ்ல இருக்குதா இல்லாட்டி ஃபீட்ல இருக்குதா சார்?
Meters pata.
மீட்டர்ஸ் ஓகே.
Meters, and you need all set, precision also set, beam style also set. Now we have 60. So I want to copy this one to here. What do I do? Now if I want to copy this, what is the shortcut command I do?
CO.
M means move. If I put M command,
CO.
yeah.
CO.
No, somebody has said M command, so I'm just showing them. If you put M, see, it's gonna move. There is no copied, so I'll undo that. So I want to copy this, so I will put CO, enter. Okay, so we can do that. Yeah, so I'm just showing that you can simply draw the line also, you can copy. So I'm just saying there are different ways we can do. Okay, fine. So we are drawn the 60 line, the 70. Okay, what do we do now?
Arc sir.
Which arc? Arc. How do you draw the arc? Radius of 20. Just tell me. How do you draw? What is the command for arc? So I think who said Khalid said to draw the arc. If we are going to draw with the
A,
arc
sir.
A. Okay, let's see. So specify the start point of the arc and the second point. And then the radius, right? So here see. We need to get a radius for that, right? Is it 20 or 35? The radius of the arc?
20, sir.
Not 20, ne? That is the radius of the inner circle, ne? That's the radius of this inner circle, ne?
Sorry, sir. அது 35, 35.
35, no?
ம்.
So we have got a circle like this. Why is it coming like this? What is the reason for that? Is it correct? How do you check the radius? We can draw the line from here to here, ne? From this point to this point, we can draw the line. Then we need to get the dimensions, ne? So this shows the midpoint. So from the midpoint, if you check, it's showing how much? 22. So it is not correct, right? So we got to change this arc. So what we can draw?
Sir, circle வரைஞ்சி
Yeah, that's easy, ne? Because in the arc, there's some critical points. So it's easy to draw a circle for this one, ne? So there's an inner circle, which is having a radius of 20, right? Are you all seeing the picture? So inner radius is having a 20 radius and the outer circle is having a radius of 35. Okay. So we can simply draw it now. So what is the command for circle?
C.
C. So C, enter. So if the total line is 70, so we can draw this way also, ne? So I can draw 35, fine. Or else we can directly drag to this point. Half of 70 is 35. And then I want to get the same command back again. So what is the shortcut I use? I want to use the circle command back again. So what is the shortcut I use?
Enter.
Enter. So this shows the midpoint. So the inner radius is 20. Enter. So I got that, right? So I want to delete this inner part, right, of the circle. And also this line has to be deleted. So I can select it, delete. So can I select this part and delete it? So what do I do?
Trim.
Trim. So we have to trim it. So TR, enter, another. Yes. So we got that image and we have a rectangle underneath, right? So how do you draw the rectangle?
சார் 70 meters அந்த ஹொரிசோனல் லைன்ல இருந்து ஒரு ஆஃப்செட் பண்ணி 15 மீட்டர்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு லைன்.
Okay. Why only Khalid speaking all the time? What about others? Are you people like, I don't know. Okay. So what is the command for offset?
Oh,
Yes.
OF சார்.
O is enough. No need to go for O.
சாரி சார்.
Oh. Okay. So we need to put the O and then 15. Yes. So we got the offset. Next step, what do you do? So that's another horizontal line on the top with the length of 50. So we can draw that also. So we can get the
வெர்டிக்கல்
offset.
லைன் 60 வெர்டிக்கல் லைன்ல இருந்து ஒரு 10 feetல ஒரு ஆஃப்செட்.
Adum Seelum. And also we can do this one also. This horizontal line. That is also same 15.
ஓ சார்.
So I have chosen that and then enter. Oh, sorry. So I'm choosing this subject and so choosing this side. So the 15 offset is done. And then I'm choosing this side, the 60 length. So what is the offset I need? I need 10.
10.
So 10 enter. So I'm choosing the right side edge. And then that is also
Same measurements.
10. So we have got the line. So now we need to trim those. Trim those out. So TR, enter, enter, 2 enters. Yes. Now we will go with DIMA. And we are having other dimensions, so we are showing them also. And then we have the 60. Yeah, all done, right? So any questions, any doubts in that we are done now? Right. This is not only the way we can draw it in different ways.
சார் அந்த சர்க்கிள் வரையறதுக்கு மிட் பாயிண்ட் காட்டுது இல்லையா சார்?
Snap கீழே ஸ்னாப் மோட் இருக்கு பாருங்க, F9.
ஓ சார்.
அதை போட்டா உங்களுக்கு காட்டுமே.
ஓகே சார், ட்ரை பண்ணு.
F3 also works, F3 or F9 you can use. Different. So what kind of situation are we supposed to use explode? Explode, when we had like polylines, like last week we had, let's say, so I got a question, like somebody asked a question, Shuhoda has asked a question, what kind of situation are we supposed to use explode? So if you all can remember, we used a rectangle, right? So we drew a rectangle. So when you choose, it is a polyline, it is not a single line, right? You all can see the screen. So if I want to get offset from this side only, okay, so if I put offset now, what will happen? It's gonna come this way, yeah, or else it will come to the whole, every line, but I need only to this line, the line on the left side, the vertical line on the left. So if I want to get for that, what I do, I select it and then I do expl. After exploding, what is happening? See, the lines are separated. Now if I want to get the offset for this one, okay, I have chosen, then I'll choose 5. I can get it. If I want to get for this, I can get it. Is that clear? Where are we using explode and why are we using explode? Shweta, is it fine? Okay, great. Khalid, any questions? Dushantan.
சார் நான் ஒன் பண்ணி பார்த்தேன் சார், அப்பயும் காட்டுது இல்லை.
F3 யூஸ் பண்ணி பாருங்க. F3, okay, சரியா, fine. So how many of you all tried last week's that small
நோ
work?
சார், சார் ஒருக்கா செஞ்சு காட்டுங்களேன் சார்.
So now F3, I have off. See, I'm getting a command
எஸ் சார்.
off. So if I'm going to draw a line, see, does it show any midpoint, anything?
எஸ் சார்.
No, it doesn't show, right? So I'm on with the F3. So auto snap mode is on. Yeah. So
ஓகே.
now you can see the midpoint is coming. Is that clear for everyone? So F3, we are getting we can get the midpoints, the corner points, or like intersecting points. Those things we can get. And also like perpendicular line.
சார் கோனா பாயிண்ட்ஸ் காட்டுது சார், மிட் பாயிண்ட் காட்டுது இல்லை.
Then you have to go to, okay, we'll see that. I'll show you. Okay, step by step we'll go.
ஓகே சார்.
Fine. So how many of you all tried the last week's question? Tried or did? I shared you guys the email address also, right? To send. யாரோ ஒருத்தர் இமெயில் அட்ரஸ்லாம் கேட்டாரு, அனுப்பவே இல்லை. Who is that?
நான் தான் சார்.
Very great, very good. Mayureshan has joined basically today. Okay, Shehan is also there. I think maybe new. Fine. What about the last week's work? How many of y'all did?
Sir, email address on the educator premium ada sir.
Illiye. akramsanong@gmail.com.
email வந்து மிஸ் ஆயிட்டு சார் அதான் அனுப்பிப்படல செஞ்சேன் சார்
இல்லாட்டி அனுப்பி தள்ளி இருக்கும் தானே?
ஓ
Okay.
சார் செஞ்சிட்டேன் சார்
Fine. So we'll do another one. Okay. I'll share you guys this image also.
சார் அகைன் இமெயில கொஞ்சம் chat பாக்ஸ்ல போட்டுடலுமா சார்
Okay. Okay, I have shared the email. Also, I have shared another picture. So we are going to draw that now. So did you all download the image? Okay, where do we start off? So where do we start? Okay. Amsawahani has said to draw the horizontal line of 3. Okay, so let's assume this in 3, all in meters. So what do we do? Okay, let's assume it's in millimeters. Fine. Okay. So I'll enter. We're gonna draw the horizontal line of 3. 3, enter. Done. So the 3 is this much small. Okay, so we're zooming it up. After drawing the 3, what do we do? Migration? Jehan, just speak up. After drawing the horizontal line of 3, okay. Now what do we do next? It seems like all the people who are studying the AutoCAD are like siblings of Gajini. People are forgetting. I don't know. What do you guys practice? Yes. Sound on KTG. Yeah, what do we do next?
135 டிகிரில சரிவா 2.12 மீட்டர்ஸ்ல ஒரு லைன்
Okay, how do we draw? What is the command?
L
Okay, L. Enter. Why do you need to get DIM? Migration, and somebody has said to get a DIM. Hamsavani has said to draw the angle. Okay, how do you draw the angle? Yes, tell. Seems like everybody has forgotten.
Come on, மறந்துட்டு sir.
Very superb, huh? Great.
Sorry sir.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, Buri. Only Mayuration has said an answer. Only one person has said the answer. We'll see what others are doing. Where is Samsavahini, Shuhada, and Shehan? Need answers. Dushantan. Tell, how do we draw that? So people have said the answers. Okay, we'll see. I don't think others would answer. Anyways. Okay, so now we need to put the angle. So we need 135 degrees. So which one do we use? Do we use this sign or the other sign? Do we use this sign or do we use this sign? And put 135. There are two different answers from your friends. They have given me. So one has said to draw this way and put 135 degrees. To draw the line L. Okay, and then the greater sign and to put 135. Is it possible to do that way? Or we put like this? Why everybody's like dead silent?
Less than what?
Okay, less than 135. And see, when you put less than, the direction is going in which way? If you put the other way, what will happen? Why it is not coming in that direction? And Mayurashan has said, sorry. What is the distance we need? Yes, people speak up. What is the distance we need?
2.12 meters.
2.12. Okay. But when you put less than sign, we getting in the opposite direction. What was the issue in that?
Opposite.
What is the reason for that? Anybody with an answer? Okay, we will find now. We'll see. Okay, so we are done with the 2.12 line and we need another 2.83 line in 90 degrees, right? So we are going to draw another line. So what is the angle we need?
90 degree.
90 degree. And what is the distance?
2.83 meters.
So see, now when you're having the F3, the snap mode on, it is showing us, right? The perpendicular is there. Can you also see that? So these lines are just going on, right? But now it's perpendicular. It shows perpendicular, right? So what is the distance we need?
83.
2.83. Enter. Done. And then what is the angle we have over there? There's a horizontal distance of 2. How do we draw that?
Press F8. Author on பண்ணி.
So from that F8, I'm putting the F8. Okay. Then
And then 2 meters
2. Right? Done. Then I need to connect these points, right? So I had to cancel the auto mode, right?
Yes, sir.
If not, I will not touch the point. See here, what is the symbol it is showing now? This is perpendicular symbol, right? See, this is a perpendicular point, but we don't need a perpendicular point. We need to connect this edge. Is that clear? So we are selecting that. Okay. Now we'll do a small check of the dimensions. So we need to adjust the size of the text. What do we do? Khalid, don't tell the answer. Somebody else tell me the answer. I want to reduce this text size. What is the command? Yes, so my Russian has said the answer. I'll go ahead. DIMS, right? Dim style, modify, and the text size. Okay. And the arrow size is also too much. So we can adjust there. So I want to use the same command. So I'll put the enter. Modify. So we have symbols and arrows. Arrow size. I want to reduce it to nearly half. So this should be fine. Then set current. Close. Right? This seems pretty okay. Ne? Okay. So 3 is correct. Then we have to check this distance also. Ne? So what is the command? DI?
DIMA.
DIMA, because it's aligned. It's not a straight line,
Yes,
not a
sir.
horizontal or vertical line. So we can use that. Why it is 2? What is the reason for that? Why it is showing us 2? Why? Why it is 2? Why it is not 2.12? Shuhada said it's because of the DIMA. Is that the reason why we are getting 2, not 2.12? Slant is 2.12, right? We also put that length, right? But we are having 2.2. Sorry, not 2. Not 2 point, it's 2. It's not 2.12. What is the reason? Boys and girls, what is the reason? Yes. Only one person. Shuhada has said the answer. Why? What is the reason we are not getting 2.12? Hamsavahini, Mayuration. Uchika.
ப்ரிசிஷனில் 0 மட்டுமா சார் கொடுத்தாங்க?
Yes, that is the reason. Precision. We gave the 0 and we didn't give for any decimal. So again, DIMS. And then, yes, modify.
Modify.
Where do you have that? Primary
Primary
units. Yes. So precision, we had to choose 0.00.
0, 0.
Okay. And then set current and then close. See,
Yes, sir.
now it is showing. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So should be very careful when dealing with these kinds. Yeah. Because you might have done correctly, but when showing the dimension, there may be an error. Fine. And okay, we'll do for the other one also DIMA. If I am doing fast, tell me. Sometimes I may just run quickly. Fine. So we are come up to this point. So now we need to draw these 2 circles, right?
Sir. சார்
So
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
how do
1 மீட்டரில் ஆஃப் செட் பண்ணணும் சார் அந்த 3 மீட்டர்ஸ் ஹாரிஜானல் லைனை.
Okay. So we are going to choose this line.
Yes, sir.
Offset. Distance should be 1 on this side, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Yes,
Sir,
what do you do
20
next?
meter,
Tell me.
20 meter அந்த ஹாரிஜானல் லைன்ல மிட் பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து ஒரு வெர்டிக்கல் லைன்.
Mm-hmm. Why others are dead silent? You need to draw a line, right? You need to draw a line. So from the center, we're going to draw a vertical line.
Yes, sir.
So until which point we should draw the vertical line?
2 meters horizontal line.
2.5, you know? Vertically.
Yes, sir. 0.5.
So 2.5. Okay. So we are having two circles, right?
Yes, sir.
So we had drawn this line 2.5 and we had drawn the line 1 from the horizontal line. Yes. And also 1.5 also we had drawn. So we had these two intersecting points. So what is the radius of this bigger circle?
1.20 degree. Yes.
That's it. It's diameter, eh? Not the radius.
1.20.
That is diameter. If we having a pi later, we have already discussed this also. This is for diameter, not radius. So the diameter is 1.2. So the radius is, so I'm going to draw the circle. Zero 0.6, right? And the next circle is 0.4. Yes, so we have drawn the two circles. So we will delete these lines. Is this clear? Oh, any questions? Yes, tell me, how do you measure these angles and check between these two? Why everybody is silent? So I got a question. Is there any way to get that middle point of the circle without using offset? I'm not clear on that question actually. How, anyway, is there any way to get that middle point of the circle without using offset? You mean to say this one, right? Okay, we have the question somebody has asked is, we drew this horizontal line with the offset command from here, right? With a distance of 1 from here, we did like this way. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So we can do this way also, since we can draw line from here, from this midpoint. Yes. We can draw 1 meter height. Without drawing this line, we can draw this way. Yeah. So we can get that center, we can draw a circle. Or else we can do that way. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can do that way also. So don't think whatever I am doing is the only way. There may be different ways that you can think of. Okay, now tell me, how do you measure this angle? Whether is it 135, whether this is 90 degrees, how do you check it? Everybody's silent. Nobody knows the answer or what?
DIMAN.
DA?
MAN.
Any other answers?
That is
Okay. DIMN. So we choose the 2 points. So see, what is the angle we have drawn? It shows 127. It is not 135. What is that? What can we do now? What's the mistake we have made? We'll check these angles, the 2 angles. That is fine. That is 90. But this is 127, not 135. What's that? Me, everybody can hear me, right? It's audible, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Now we are open for discussion. Yeah, what's the reason? Yes. If you are unmuting the mic, clear, speak relevant to the question. Huh? If anybody. Okay, tell why it is 127. Did we make a mistake or what's it? If you made a mistake, you should correct it. So we got to delete this line, right? If it is a mistake.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's without deleting. Okay, let's check again. Okay, let's draw the line. We are going to draw a line from this point. What is the angle we should draw in?
135.
135. So if 135, or we can use, it can be 45 also, 180 degrees, right? The less than symbol. Sorry. And then we need 45.
55, sir.
180 minus 135.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What is the distance? 2.12. See, the line is coming somewhere here. If you use DIMN, now see, now see, it's 135, right? Is that clear? So I think we have made a mistake there. That's the reason it's coming 127, right? Is that clear for you all? So it is not 127. It should be 135. So I'm going to move the 135 angle over here. And the text height is too much, right? We should just adjust it, right? So we go with DIMS again. Modify text. Too much, right? So set current and then close. Okay, so the line is going over here. So what is the distance of that line? DIMA. .12. So from this line, we should go 90 degrees, right? So L. So how much distance I should go? So now it's perpendicular. So I should go with 2.83, right? So we need to go for how much, what is the distance on the horizontal? Two. So the author is on, so we input 2, enter. So this is the mistake one. We can delete that, and this one also will be deleted. So we have to connect these 2 points, right? Now we can check this angle also. DIMN, right? Okay. So now we are done, right? Is it, are we done, or is there any corrections we should do? Why it's everybody's like dead silent. Are you guys just watching the match on the other side of the screen?
No, sir.
Match is also going on between Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, right? Isn't it? Okay. So what else you had to do in this? Any corrections? Or is it fine? Is it the final one?
No need for any correction, sir.
No need. What? Why not? We need to put the dimensions.
Dimensions, yes, sir.
Yeah.
DAMA.
Yeah. DIMA already. I put that. And after circle also I had to put. 1.2, right?
Yes.
1.2. Is that
Okay.
yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Now we move on to the next one. Shall we do this? Shall we do? I'll have to do it anyways. Okay. Now let's say I want to draw a hexagon. What is a hexagon? Okay, quickly tell what have we done so far? What are the things we learned now? Till now? What have we done so far? Quickly. Till now, what have we done? What are the things we learned? And did we learn anything new? Why is there an issue with the coverage or something?
Mm,
Somebody asking, sir, did we do anything new? Yes, of course. We did something new. So my Russian has said demand, not demand, d dim angular, dim angular for angle measurement. What else? What else? What is the other shortcut we learned? William? Yeah, we learned a new thing also, ne? Okay. So before that, there is this homework. This is a homework. Hope you guys do that. Okay, I have shared with. Okay, sorry. I shared it everyone. I think you guys will have a message in the chat box. So please save that picture and try to do that. Okay, so we learned about F3, ne? The using how to use F3, which is called the snap tool, ne? Snap on, not tool, snap on. Where we can get the midpoints, things like that. Yeah, perpendicular lines can be drawn. That kind of features can be done. Okay, so next we'll draw a hexagon. How do you draw a hexagon? Sorry. How do we draw a hexagon? Yes, how we can draw a hexagon? Okay, somebody has said using lines. Okay, using lines. I want to draw a regular hexagon. Okay, using lines. How do I draw a hexagon? Okay, tell. Now, what is a hexagon actually? First of all, what is a hexagon? Let's see. Polar polygons. Okay, so please check your okay, please save that. So we have triangle, square, five-sided one, we call it pentagon. Six sides, we call it as a hexagon. Seven, heptagon. Eight means octagon. Nine's nonagon, and then 10 means decagon. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Now, how do we draw a hexagon? Is there any command? Somebody is asking, is there any command for it? I don't think we have a command for that. But using some geometry. Ne? How do we draw that? Okay, there are two ways. We can use the lines, and the other one is we can use the circles also. Okay, so we'll see with the lines now. So I want to draw a regular hexagon with a side of 4. So 4 I have input. And then I'm going to put some angles. So usually the interior angle for a hexagon is 120 degrees, but the external one is 60 degrees. So I will input distance symbol and then 60. And what is the distance I need? 4. Right? So same thing applies there also. So what's the angle I need now?
One 20
20 degrees. So how do I get it? Do I need to suffer that much? Can I do this very easily? We are going to draw a line like this. So do you know about that angle? There's a very easy way to draw this hexagon. Can anybody tell me? Without drawing this line, we can draw that. We can do. Think. Using this line. Pardon?
mirror panni.
Good. Which one are you going to mirror? The line which I have selected, you can mirror, right?
Yes, sir.
MI. Not Mission Impossible. MI means mirror. So I'm going to choose about this midpoint. I'm going to mirror. Yes. So I'm choosing this and I'm just clicking. Done. So what does it ask? Erase source object. So are we going to erase this line? No, right?
No, sir.
So I'm going to choose N, enter. So we have got the 3 sides now, right? Now,
How to mirror that 3 side?
yes. So see, if I'm selecting from left to right, what will happen? Whatever that is coming inside the rectangle will be selected, right?
Yes, sir.
But if I'm choosing from this direction, whatever the rectangle touches will be selected, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want to mirror this MI. So about this point. So I can choose it. Done. Okay.
Done, sir.
Done. That's it. Simple.
That's
Okay.
sir.
So this is using the lines. Other one is using the circles. That is a geometrical one. I don't think it is needed for you people. But just we'll see. So we can draw a circle with a radius of 4. And the same thing we're going to do again. We're going to draw a circle with radius of 4. And yes, again we're going to draw a circle. I think we might have done this in our small grades.
Yes, sir. This is a simple way.
Okay, so we can put the lines L. Just we need to keep connecting the intersecting points. Okay, now we can delete the circles. Okay, that also can be done. Fine.
Yes, sir.
So there are many ways. That's up to you to decide which way is easy for you, which is convenient for you. Fine. So any questions in this what we have done so far? Any issues? Vahini, Mayuration,
அந்த
Pharma.
மிட் பாயிண்டர் எப்படி சார் சால்வ் பண்றது?
அது F3 வருது இல்லையா?
இல்லையே சார்.
It should be coming. If not, okay. So you go to this. There's a snap settings. There's a settings here. Okay, Khalid. There's a down arrow. You can go to the settings. So you have to choose. See what I have chosen is like endpoint, midpoint, center. Those points will be shown.
ஓகே சார்.
So you have to select what are the things that you need.
ஓகே சார்.
So I see I have chosen the perpendicular, tangent, parallel also I have chosen. So it's up to us to decide which one are we going to use. Fine.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So any questions so far? So I have given a work. Last week also I gave. This week also I gave. Next week also I'll give. So try to do and come. Any questions? Any doubts? No questions, no doubts. If it is so, we'll end the class then. I'm also a bit exhausted. So no questions, right? No doubts? Mayuration, no question. Shuhada, no question. Shehan, Shahida, Jamid, Shafna, Fama, Khalid, Hamza Wahini, Sulaiha. Any questions? No questions. All clear.
சார் இந்த எங்களோட இதை எப்படி சார் எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணுறது?
எப்படி விளங்கல?
எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணுறதுன்ற எப்படி எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணுறது? இப்போ நான் செஞ்ச ஒரு ட்ராயிங்கை
எதுக்கு
எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ண போகல சார்.
எதுக்கு எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ண போறீங்க?
இப்போ சேவ் பண்ணி வைக்கிறது தானே சார்?
எஸ்.
இப்போ ஃபோட்டோஷாப்பில் ஒரு பிக்சர் எடிட் பண்ணி எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி இல்லை, எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணிடலாம் அதை?
சேவ் பண்ணலாம் தானே? Yeah, you can do the save as.
சார் அப்போ நான் அகெயின் ஓப்பன் பண்ணணுன்னா AutoCAD இருந்தால் மட்டும் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிடலாம்?
Yes, Anna. Fonts வருது AutoCAD view. There's an app also. You can use that only to view. If not,
ஓகே.
if you want to convert into a PDF.
எப்படி சார் அது?
Okay. So here you can do the export.
எஸ் சார்.
Export option. You can choose the PDF. So the file type is as PDF.
ஓகே சார்.
But the entire thing will come in a PDF. So you have
Okay.
to zoom in, zoom out. See here, we have drawn something here. And here we have drawn very small one. So all the things will come. Or else you can choose a certain part. What you have to PDF. Let's say you have to choose only this one and PDF. I'm going to go to the control print. Control P, that which means you are taking to a print.
Okay.
So in the print, you can choose which one you have to choose. We'll choose the window option. So I'm choosing up to this one. Window and the paper size. So here we have to choose AutoCAD PDF. You can choose the
Okay.
quality also, highest quality or whatever the quality you need. So you can preview what you have selected.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then you can put okay. Save means it will be saved, right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Fine. Okay, fine. I think it's all clear for everybody. So we'll meet up in the next class then. Have a good weekend and